Racing just is started. We have Cool Shell. Break quickly restart Green Street. Then on the outside Accuris. Dr. Choice Friendly Fire. Then next on line is Executive Order. While Federer is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Green Street by about 2 lengths. And in second is Cool Shell. And on the outside third comes Accuris. Then next on line now is Dr. Choice. Executive Order is on the outside. Friendly Fire. Down on the inside Federer, who's racing in 7th. Back to the leader, we have Green Street maintaining a 3 lengths lead. And in second is Cool Tiello. Moving up now on the outside is Dr. Choice. Accuris comes next, Federer. Then next on the Executive Order, while Friendly Fire now racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Green Street by about 2 lengths. Trying to get closer in second is Dr. Choice. Cool Yellow as they swing for home. We have Green Street by a length and a half. Dr. Choice in second. Federer now in third with about 150 meters more to run. We have Dr. Choice now takes command. Driving back in second is Green Street. And finally, the program opener, Dr. Choice, Green Street. Then comes number 8, Federer, Cool Yellow. And number 4, Executive Order.
Alright, I believe that's only the 4th choice sa ating bentahan. Si